Good afternoon from Middleton with a rare car for you. This is a 2016 66 plate Abarth 124 Spider. It's 170 brake horsepower, 6-speed manual with a limited slip differential. It's in Costa Brava 1972 red with a heritage pack, which is the matte bonnet and boot lid, and some other options which I'll talk about as we walk around the car. But it's a lovely car. We supplied it new and sold it to 2 other people, and the lady who currently owns it has sold it back to us now. I've got the roof up. I'll take that down in a moment just so you can see what it's like with the roof up, and it's also shady inside. So we've got a leather covered sports steering wheel, the really impressive looking red dials, an infotainment there with sat nav and DAB tuner with Bluetooth, automatic climate control, 6-speed manual close ratio gearbox with a short shift, sport button, the iDrive which operates the screen here, which is fairly easy to use once you understand it, which I can show you because I used to run one of these myself. It's got the optional red and black leather, the plaque there for the Abarth model, and the emblems and everything. I'll just go back to the front to show you the headlights. It's got the LED headlights with headlamp wash. Being a sporty car, it's got the red band around the top of the steering wheel. So there we are, to open the roof like that. And I will just show you along the front edge of the roof, because this is really nice condition, and it is somewhere where they tend to wear on older models, 6, 7, 8 years old. They usually get a little bit of wear where it touches these back roll hoops, but there's plenty of space there and it's never going to touch. So that's really good news if you were looking for one of these. See the Abarth emblems, and the whole look is amazing really, and they do drive beautifully. As I said, it's got the heritage pack, which is this matte coloured bonnet and boot lid, which is actually painted on, it's not a wrap. We've got some mats, reasonable sized boot, reversing sensors. These models have something called a Record Monza Sports exhaust, alloy wheels, good look from this side, everything looks good. Abarth emblem on the Alcantara center console, cup holders as well. So there we are, a 2016 66 plate Abarth 124 Spider in Costa Brava 1972 red with a heritage pack, 27,613 miles. We've supplied, registered it ourselves and to the 2 former keepers, so 3 owners in total. Lovely condition, drives beautifully, and it's a car I'd actually be interested in having myself, but it's for sale. So there we are. Come and have a go. We look forward to seeing you, and we'll give you a test drive. It's a great car. Thanks for looking. Bye for now.